Hello, can you
Yes.
hear
All
me?
right. So yeah, we can hear you. So Kukwa, take over
Okay,
so that Chris will come later. All right.
perfect. All right. Good
Thank you.
evening to everyone. My name is Kukua Ishen, and I'm vying for Hospitality Secretary. Uh, and I try to look at what to say because there are a lot of things that are on my mind that I want to say, and then also there are a lot of things that I want to hear people also bring on board since um, I would say I'm a bit new in some of these things. Um, so I try to look at what is my role in hospitality and what at all is hospitality. So I try to study a bit or learn a bit about what I need to do and get myself abreast, even though I know, but then see what I can do best, just not to say, but also to put it in deeds. Ne nyinaa ne sɛ abusuafoɔ mema obiara good evening. Me din de Kukua Eshen. Ne na merekɔ akɔgyina sɛ hospitality secretary. Na yɛ sɛ mɛhwɛ ahɔhoɔ anaasɛ obi biara a ɔwɔ Ghana Union biara no, mede me ho to hɔ sɛ mɛhwɛ ahɔhoɔ so anaasɛ mɛhwɛ nipa no so. Nti no, megyina sɛ mobɛto aba ama me na metumi ayɛ saa adwumadie yi a ɛda m'anim. Na nea ɛda m'anim pɔtee ne sɛ yɛkɔ programs bebree a ɛyɛ a yɛtaa ho sɛ hospitality person no ɛhwɛ nipa no sɛ nipa no ɔmbɛtumi anya anigye ɛwɔ program no so. Ɛsiane sɛ yɛyɛ program no nyinaa wie a na yɛtwa toɔ koraa ne sɛ wɔ sɛ obiara no akoma tɔ ne yam onya biribi di onya biribi ɛka n'ano na otumi anya asa kakra ɛsa ɛno ɛho hia paa ɛwɔ program biara ase nti no mehwɛ sɛ me goal baako ne sɛ what can I do differently or what am I supposed to do? So I'm going to treat every guest with respect and then make them feel special. That is one aspect of me. Ewo hɔ dada. Nti no, mehyɛ mu kenya sɛ moto aba ma me a, obi biara ɔbɛba Ghana Union program ase bia no, ɛbɛfele sɛ ɔyɛ ɔhene anaasɛ ɔyɛ ɔhemaa. And what will I then do again? I'm going to give hearing ears to every member who will suggest about something like a food or a drink for the next program. Sometimes ebiana nkurɔfoɔ bi wɔ hɔ a ebi ɔmo pɛ sobolo paa yɛakɔ event sobolo ama aseɛ. So if there are suggestions about that, we'll try and with the help of mpanimfoɔ no bring that aspect of food for the next program yɛbɛyɛ si de bɛyɛ a ɛbɛma nipa so etimi aba program no bebree. Then the next thing that I'm also looking at is say sometimes they say yare kakra wɔ hɔ. Obi wɔ hɔ a oni esikyire kakra. Obi wɔ hɔ a yɛsɛ kura oni nkyene. Obi wɔ hɔ kura so a yɛsɛ ɔnwe nam. Ɔba Ghana Union program ase a deɛ pɔte paa ɛna ɔbɛka sɛ obenya ɛde ato ne yam. So something concerning these vegans, omoduane DNA, less spice food. At least there should be something little nkurɔfoɔ ɛte saa no so benya bibi saa etimi ɛde aka ɔmo ano. Ade a ɛda makoma pro so sɛ moto aba ma me a mɛhwɛ sɛ saa adeɛ na at least yɛyɛ menu biara na yɛbɛtumi anya saa aduane kakra a less spice food. Nkwara no bebree wɔ hɔ koraa ɔmo anim moko. Nti no yɛbɛhwɛ sɛ benya less spice food ɛbɛtumi aboa ma ɔmo a mote saa no so anaasɛ sugar free food ɔmo so ɛte saa no bɛtumi ɛde bibi saa aka ɔmo ano. Ade baako a mepɛ sɛ mesa so meyɛ ne sɛ honesty explaining the food on board. Sometimes uko program bi ase a unya obi ma ne nkyerɛkyerɛ enuane ni mu sɛ deɛ na ɛfra anaasɛ deɛ na ɛmfra sɛ ɛbɛboa nipa no anaasɛ ɛmboa nipa no sɛ nyame yɛ ado na motumi to aba no ma me a mɛhwɛ sɛ aduane bi a ɛbɛba board no so bi a yɛbɛtumi ayɛ explain obi a ɔbɛwɔ hɔ bi a yɛbɛtumi ayɛ explain ni a ɛwɔ mu okay ɛyɛ waakye ahaban yɛfrɛ ne sɛn ɛna ɛyɛ ɛmo ɛna yɛde nsuo ka ho nti no ɛno na si ha no yɛbɛ explain bibi a ɛwɔ mu nti sɛ nipa no ɛmpɛ a ɛnyɛ ɛni kwan sɛ ɔbɛka sɛ wei deɛ mɛni wei nti mɛfa wei ɛyɛ ade a mɛpɛ sɛ mɛyɛ. Now, the last thing that I would like to do is to give accurate report about every money used to run an event. Bibi biara ebe yusu dia ye event ni biara no. Mebo modi ama chro e da to ho. Saying ene call ha, we eba ha. Saying eba ha, ena we so de we ba ye. Until at the end of the day no, na ompenifo a omode me sure mwasi a mi ye adwuma no. Na me da kire won say ye wi program no nea esiye enie. Enti no me pamacho me baby a me do no me de manu besi na se obi wo ensem bi busa me a na yetime yusu time aka no ebusa me da mase.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let's start with Isuman. What's your question?
Yes, thank you very much, Mr. Moderator. Auntie Kukwa, congratulations. Yes, my question is very straight. Debia Dano, we realize your program, we have Ghana Union program, and then time for eating. Now, aduane na ya lining up on no bia as a more chede aduane no. Yeah, na the feedback you nya we achi most of the time in say. Na nkofo ka na me yi de o che aduane no wayi nam no yi ni tia ma me wayi ni sakete tia ma me I say that's the complaint there feedback ayeti most of the time no so no yeah na make cool no attractive nkofo kasa wo ho say bia obi yes favoritism so obi show obi animu maybe minimum way no mom gigi na aduane na chi no na ba wo ho no na sometimes so aduane wo so ade na program no so nko na wie bon say aduane nyina asa sometimes we want to say aduane no na ye pack na go for the coffee na program na bo so ye nya yi nti ere na ye nyama nketen a big challenge and we Ghana Union activities mu especially say ye aduane 7 days na na nti no wonya wo ba mu yin sifo ma wonya ka say ade a wo pese wo hia na ka akra nti what yi be na obetimi dey aba on board ma avoid some of this and say bia say buffet bi na ye you say den obi nkogina tiri bi hwe obi anim no ma ne ketewa no ma na nam na ne ti ne nan ne ade nketen akokọ no ne ade no den na betimi aye na bibi sa so ba wani ma how will you address it that's it. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Mercy.
Yeah, I think it's a question and I'm person busano and one them say Kofi Akano because so Kofi Kaino in no the problem of Ghana in who say people always have a problem with the people behind the food. Say if you cry, if you obi to make us say nipa nano kasa menya mate feedback be and Kofi aka say in Kofi is aduane echi omo ne omo kasa ye nti Ghana in dem do ha omo didi ansa na omo ba. Nti no senior na Kofi Kano then na obey because say bi me so matena ekro foforo bi so ansa na me ba ha me realize say ho no obi anjene de ani echi nche ye di si ho no obi ya betise ne de na okọ nti edu sa na asem bi ani ho and now my second say okay say obi make sure say obi explain it no but from last event I think say just this bronya no nipa ne doors too much say yeah na me say obi cry na ho yeah munko. So I think say maybe we not in your question but just a suggestion say maybe the food can be explained on the way using technology and however on the Ghana Union platform no, and sana events na ba because at that particular time ne there kwan na what say we to be explain it and actually obi akoya na nipa dom le doors in say me so me there no. Thank you.
Thank you. Makion.
Yeah, a very quick one, Medasi Isaac. Kukua, Edasi. You see, whether Rebecca Fia, na Edriana no Akui. Three things for me: the music, the food, the ambience, decoration. Na same pa Ghana Union first pa Ghana Union program Independence Christmas decoration ukra na guy. Na same pa last one by decoration name koye kra this we the cheap one pa na no basa it doesn't add to the whole idea no ema idea no any guy it you know say no me be me hu what I mean what the plans now about that because me hu here me pa na enwom no na say the Ghana Union mu she kubu enwom no we the enwom no bo mu kura bu who the one shoe pa ba se obesa be du ho no enwom ye be bo no ai they say wa agasa no okufi kwa no bofu misre Is it that we don't have money to pay the DJs to give us the good music that people can enjoy the food and enjoy the music? And I say now, if you have also observed it, then I'll be a. And of course, my name is Messi. I drink say no cranny a bad Ghana Union. Your back program na Adrian Semono. In fact, sometimes we could pay the kakra. We could be about if you compare what you can give Nedi. The over as well be catch your crown. I think so. Sabi crown. Sabi ufie crowd in the big crowd. Uni di ufie. Sometimes yeah, not a hard drink.
All
Hard drink.
right.
And I've heard a lot of people complain about those things.
Okay.
Yeah, it means let's say also no obey it's obey a bossy. Dear now by a fast and so that people when people come, they want to eat something, they want to dance, they want to have fun. I want to know what you would do about some of these little things.
It's interesting. So, Peter, so last question. I think that will be the last question for the hospitality, and then.
Okay. Isaac said, "Oh, crowd question."
Media near contribution, me say metimi ama there, and should I need direct question?
And that question out there, my answer.
All right.
Say,
Thank
the
you.
answer is not, if it doesn't cover your contribution, then you can chip it in. Why? Cool. So there's something about food discrimination, food hoarding, insufficient food, ingredients list, music, food, and decoration. If you can remember all of them.
Yeah, I tried to write all of them here, so I have most of them here. If I'm a child, there will be biarasi. So a ban ne friend saying niche eswa. First thing I me person me say omwa obi biara obe bua we duane niche mu no. Me person ombe enkrofo a me no medical akasa. Na say you baby say in-service training from time to time. For those who are willing, say, eduane medu a ombe boa ma yetimi ombe gina echire na omabua servo ene sa ene mane wo. Personally, no me ankasa no, I don't really like going to a party obi bete eduane ama me. For some reason, I don't know. And you know, there are other places that I've worked before and asked the same position, and mostly I ask everybody to go and take the food. But of course, I understand that Ghana Union is quite a very big one, and sometimes the population becomes so much. So there should be a bit of, how will I say it? Say, boa na friend say, obianya kakra. And no, now you say, table we will have this in-service training, and I said, yeah, you a home komo. Said the first year, me believe in say obi biara obeba ho no should be treated as a prince and then also as a princess. Says I didn't everyone who serve under that we should treat everyone who comes for the food as a prince or a princess. That means say ya mamre mu kura no say bia obi aduane na say wohwe n'animu a enya di papa no kwa o mabio enti no eno ya de ba ko a me ewo mitrim say se moto abane mame a me try say omo a me no be ye adwuma no answer be ka say ye program bia no me no be nya nkomo e da fa kwan a o be treat obia eso ena eba no food explanation no sister Adwoa e de cancer me dan ase bebre a very good suggestion before the program starts no me duane e be ba ho until then you just put them all on the platform see the be ya nipa ne ban wa prepare no ho dada say oba be de mutuo ene nkatenkwan na no nya fufuo any light soup at least it will help a lot. Thank you so much. Then when it comes to the decoration and music now say about the decoration and music now many a friend is saying one more organizing secretary for no na ebe ya adwuma enti no say me yo oba ya say benyado ade me fe ya mitimi hu say ade ya fe no me modern say ya be tem bia no say occasion bi ba bedru once and brand bedru no ya be say material sign ye wo ho enti ne edi kan wo ho no e kan be ne betimi ye use ebia na ya make no ye wo red wo ho ye wo green wo ho ye wo yellow wo ho and e wo star kakra betimi ye use no for your Ghana Union independent program but what be use that same no for maybe it's a Christmas event. And I say be a event be a beauty pageant event. Untimi use that same and no kwa and fan konko ye. Enti the men ba bedra be materials a ye di kan wo ho no. Na ya sre masre me penifo because many penifo na be ye adwuma. Se ometimi aboa ya ma nya nema decorations nema kakra e de aka ho a ebetimi de aboa ma ho no efe no adimu a ye be hwe no ekira kwan. Enyom ne de obi apanyo mi wo ho mi panyo pa enti no ba de sa na mi se omo a mo ye DJ for na de no so no ye sure organizer secretary for no mo diana ono omo akasa ansa na proud to na oba ho so na so hu se enyum na nkoyi a na dadam nko na omo ba I think say you can also go and then tell someone who is an organizer say chale enyum na nkoyi kura na dem mo reggae kura ade then the person can communicate it to the right people and then they can change it. Sometimes ne obo nyum ne be sure say bia onim say or one way too much. Until no, I think say so say maybe if you realize that you could also communicate it to someone. But me a child I said when we program it there I do nyum ni na da e nyum ade so e was say ka e jabem. So this some of these things now mo we chire no mo bet me aboa ya mo aye we nim no to make the program a very successful one. So bibi wo hobi ma me explain ya I'll be very grateful to have that, but that is what I've been able to capture for now.
No, thank you very much. I think your passion and your competence has always been. I just pray that you get the note. Peter.